Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by learning control feel and hitting the first few obstacles. Tap for small hops, hold for bigger ones. This is crucial because timing dictates crashes. Once done, switch to practice mode and place checkpoints near tricky sections so you can rehearse repeats without restarting. Make sure sensitivity and audio are tuned. Sound cues help anticipate drops and spikes. You'll alternate short, precise taps and held presses. This creates muscle memory that gets you through the opening sequences. Now you tackle the core sequences where obstacles stack rapidly. Break the tower into manageable segments and memorize each pattern because repeating builds consistency. Once done with memorization, practice transitions, dash pads and gravity flips must be activated decisively, not hesitantly, as that timing prevents mid-air mistakes. Make sure to plan 1 to 2 moves ahead and keep a steady rhythm, tapping to a beat if needed. This reduces panic and turns chaotic sections into predictable. Complete the run by staying calm and executing the practiced final sequence. Short, controlled taps win over frantic presses. Once done through the pivot, focus on landing windows and conserve momentum for the last dash or gravity flip. If you fail repeatedly, use checkpoints to isolate the last 5 to 10 seconds and drill that piece until reliable. Make sure to troubleshoot hardware or app issues. Reset control bindings, lower sensitivity, or update the app if you see input lag or visual glitches. Those fixes often solve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.